Welcome to Tuff Blocks VR, where tradition meets technology. Step into a world where the timeless beauty of the Armenian script comes alive in 3 dimensions, offering an immersive journey into culture, creativity, and discovery. Explore the rich history of Mesrop Mashtot's alphabet by engaging with its letters in a whole new way. Arrange and build with precision, or let your creativity flow to craft stunning structures that connect you to one of the world's oldest scripts. Learn, play, and celebrate the language that has connected generations. Whether you're a learner, a gamer, or simply an adventurer, this app invites you to immerse yourself in the artistry and legacy of the Armenian alphabet. Join us in preserving and celebrating the treasures of our heritage. Your journey begins now, in the world of Tuff Blocks VR. Welcome to Tuff Blocks VR.
All right, so I had a couple of hours today, and I decided to take the latest VR standards from Unity 6 and create something quick, actually. So here we have a nice menu where you can provide some sort of a wizard guiding the user in the actual process of what they can do and what they cannot do. So let's just go ahead and go all the way over here. And over here we have tooltips, and the tooltips actually have a really nice kind of like a line tracer where it will indicate what you can do. In this case particularly, take blocks from here and order the blocks over here. Over here we actually have the Armenian alphabet textures, so you can go the order of it. So the order in this particular is going to be column wise, so it would be A, B, G, D, and going so forth. And as you point to the controllers, so we have the controllers are going to have tooltips as well, where they will give you a really nice way of what to do, what each button is going to do with the pointers and etc. So let's go ahead and grab one of these cubes and try to place it over there. And as you're moving the actual cube and touching it, you would notice that it actually pronounces the letter. So let's go ahead and put A, that's the first letter. Let's see if we can find B.
S, R, V.
Okay, let's put this one over here.
B.
That's not the one we are looking for. So Armenia is a pretty rich language, and we do have about 38 letters. Of course, the new version also has added, I believe, 2 additional letters. This one over here is the traditional one.
Y, R,
So,
L, Sh, O,
okay.
K, P, K, V, D.
There we go. Oops, went all the way out. Gotta be careful.
D.
This is G.
Y,
right here.
B.
So we finally found our
B.
Now we've got to find G. So G looks like that. Let's go ahead.
Z.
That's Z.
K.
Just gonna move this. There we go.
Z.
Nope.
J. Ch. O. P. P. Z. B. Z. K. V.
All right, let's see if it's back here.
Ch. Y. K. M. E. R. V. S. Z. J. J. E. L. Ch. C. Ch. K. Z. V. V. Z.
We might be missing it.
Z. H. J. D. V. J. Z. H.
All right, so
S.
this is it. It's a quick
S.
tool for
T.
kids or anyone who wants to learn the language and be able to go through the alphabets and figure them out and organize them. Of course, we can enhance this to make it much more interactive.
J. Z.
And etc. All right, see you guys later.